make sure that there are no wrinkles in the undersleeve. Align the garment just below the groin and attach the top 2 bands loosely to hold the garment in place. The upper leg garment should overlap with the knee component. Attach the bottom-most band with firm and comfortable tension. Attach the bands alternately from bottom to top so that the garment lays flat and wrinkle-free. Slightly pull the upper band upwards to avoid wrinkles. Hold the top of the garment while attaching the last band. If there are gaps or creases, simply readjust the bands. Each band should be adjusted to the compression range determined by your therapist at the initial fitting. Use the provided card to identify the applied compression level. The distance between the lines on the band is equal to the compression pressure on the scale of the card. For an effective therapy, readjust the compression throughout the day. Lastly, fold the undersleeve over the top of the garment. Roll back the bands to keep the hook fasteners lint-free. Make sure not to detach any of the spine tabs.